The truth is that I played myself. Tear, my hair is dry, the ends are screaming, and I'm going to try and fix the situation. If this is the first time that you're joining me, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys will subscribe and join the family. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Let's go. My problems started with the fact that my hair has been in a protective style for almost 12 weeks about. Now, it's not the length of the protective style that's the problem, but the fact that I purely or totally neglected my hair. So I took out the braids yesterday, and my hair was so dry, the strands so thirsty. So many split ends and knots and so on. So I'm going to go through the sections of my hair and just give myself, well, I don't want to say well-deserved, because people deserve trims, not really, but a well-earned trim. I did it to myself, right? So look at this front section. You can already see how the ends are here. So what I'm going to do is, you'll remember that I had that video of how I did a big chop. So the desire to cut my hair has not completely left me, but I thought, since the ends are now damaged due to my own fault, this is a chance to get a more enthusiastic trim. So there's no real method. I'm starting on hair, or working on product-free hair. So freshly washed, damp, product-free hair, and I'm just gonna cut where I feel like I need cutting. Okay, so let's do this. You know the trope anyway. Health over length. So So the way my hair grows, these edges, both in the front and in the back, are very coarse. So they struggle to keep up with the rest of my hair. But let's see. I'm just gonna cut off where the ends are now not feeling so nice anymore. I'm going to cut off this part. There's no reason why I'm doing it on wet hair. It's just I don't have time to wait for the hair to dry.
then you have magic.
I'm using fairly sized, or not tiny size, but also not thick, so medium size, medium small size sections. Like I said, I can feel where the strands are becoming a little bit rough. So where they become fairly not nice. That's not the best English, but yeah, where they become very rough to touch and not so nice and smooth, that's where I'm getting rid of them. But I hope I'm not going to make the hair too uneven, but it's fine. I mostly wear my hair in its curly state or in twist, so I wouldn't notice if it's very uneven. I'm yet to properly straighten my hair anyway. I'm gonna get rid of this. So nice and smooth. It's painful. It's painful, but it's worth it. It's gonna be worth it in the end. If it means my hair is coming back, it's gonna be in a healthier state, so that's fine. It's okay. Look at this twist now, much better ends. It just feels better. Okay, so I'm gonna do that all over the hair. Get rid of scraggly ends. Yeah.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm done. It's taken about 2 hours to trim my whole head. My ends already feel much better. The hair itself as well. It's almost like it knew what was going on. But in general, my hair feels much better than it did immediately after I took out the braids. Yeah, I reckon I've probably taken off about 5 to 7 centimeters. 5 to 8 centimeters even. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Let me know how often you trim your ends. Do you find it beneficial, or do you like to hold on to all your strands? Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.
One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two over two out the door. Then you